Hey folks, John Goldstein here. One of the last videos you saw, we were working on the interior, coming up with the overall concept. We've already hammered most of that out. We had some time in the paint area, so we brought it over here so we could work on trying to seal up all of the blasted area, paint all of the exposed metal so that way it's sealed up and it's ready for all of that new stuff to go on. Let's go take a look at what that really looks like. Over here in the front, we have sealed, we have primed, and we have painted that brand new curved metal support for this front cap and sealed it with a single stage black paint, making sure that if any water does come in here, it's protected and it's gonna weather time. Over here on the sides, we've come back, we've done body work, we've beat it all into the best way that we can. We've come back and we've sealed it and we've primed it, making sure we're ready for paint. Over here in the rear engine bay, after all of this area was done, primed, and sealed, this customer wanted to finish it off with something that was going to be a little bit more durable, could handle the heat, and could also handle if this area ever got wet. It's a bed liner that you can tint to whatever color that you want. This customer wanted to go with a light gray, so we added that color to the Raptor coating, and we've sprayed it everywhere, trying to seal off the whole engine bay and all of the areas that are normally exposed to all of the heat and all of the water that come off of this engine. Passenger side has also been bodyworked, sealed, and primed, as well as all of the pillars and the entire roof. Over here on the top, again, we've done bodywork, banged out all those dents, tried to make it as smooth as we can, come back and added body filler, and then sealed, primed, so we're ready for paint. So what we're doing on the inside, most of this thing has been mocked up. We're taking them down. We're sealing all of this with a sealer, and we're priming all of this roof and the walls so that way we can come back and we can spray insulation in all of these nooks and crannies and be ready for that next step. Over here we have our mock-up removed so we can come back and we can seal and primer all of the areas inside this vehicle, getting ready for that foam. All of this has been done and this is all ready for insulation. So the Gypsy bus is underway. She's getting sealed, she's getting primed, and she's getting coated so we can get her insulated and get her ready for that next step. So don't forget to click on that bell to get notified of future projects. Like, follow, and subscribe, or if you're in Fontana, California, stop on by.